Burt's Bees Baby 100% Natural Diaper Rash Ointment by Burt's Bees Baby is one of the best baby diaper creams and ointments products. Burt's Bees Baby 100% Natural Diaper Rash Ointment has protecting properties to treat and prevent diaper rash. It's 100% natural with 40% zinc oxide, the maximum strength needed to seal out moisture that can irritate your baby's bottom. This diaper rash ointment nourishes and reconditions skin naturally with shea butter, lavender oil and jojoba seed oil while creating an emollient layer to absorb wetness, leaving baby's skin soft, dry, and smooth. Pediatrician tested and safe for your baby's delicate skin. This ointment is formulated with no parabens, phthalates, petrolatum or SLS and is not tested on animals. Nurture and protect your baby's skin naturally with Burt's Bees Baby Baby Diaper Ointment. Treat and prevent diaper rash in a safe, effective and natural way with this ointment that leaves baby bottoms soft and dry. Soothe skin, made with 40% zinc oxide and sweet almond oil, this maximum strength ointment helps calm and protect irritated skin against moisture. Baby skin care, enriched with shea butter, lavender oil and jojoba seed oil, this rash ointment naturally revitalizes your baby's delicate skin. Natural baby care. This 100% natural diaper rash ointment is formulated without parabens, phthalates, petrolatum or SLS and is not tested on animals. Pediatrician tested, this Burt's Bees diaper rash ointment is clinically proven to be safe, effective and non-irritating for everyday, soothing relief.